Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to log someone out of your Google account, step by step. Whether you think someone's using your account without permission or you just want to tighten up your online security, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's jump right in. First, open up a web browser on your computer or phone. Chrome works great, but any browser will do. Then, head over to any Google service like Gmail or Google Search while you're signed in. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture or your initial. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your main account settings page, the control center for everything related to your Google account. On the left-hand side, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one that says Security. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Your Devices. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices currently signed into your Google account. This includes phones, laptops, tablets, basically anything that's ever had access. To see all connected devices, click Manage All Devices. You'll now get a detailed list of every device that's logged in. Take a moment to review them carefully. If you see a device you don't recognize or one you no longer use, that's your cue to take action. Click on the suspicious or old device and you'll find an option to sign out. Hit that button, and just like that device will no longer have access to your Google account. If you think your account might have been compromised, it's also a good idea to change your password right after logging out unwanted devices. That way, even if someone still knows your old password, they won't be able to sign back in. And there you go. You've just learned how to log someone out of your Google account in 2025. It's a simple but powerful step to keep your digital life secure. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and share this with anyone who might need it. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.